Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Well, today in this very short tutorial, we will learn how we can change the DPI of Mouse 11 and Windows 10 computer. So I'll tell you what exactly DPI is, the Mouse DPI. It's dot per inch, and higher the DPI, faster the mouse movement. So let's get started. So here in the search bar, just type whether it's Windows 11 or Windows 10. So in the search bar, type mouse and you will find mouse settings. So you need to click on that. So here in devices section of mouse, we are looking for additional mouse settings. So here we can select double click speed. So whenever we double click, how fast it should open, from here we can do that. If we move to the left, it will be slower, and if we move to the right, it will be faster. So you can select it from here, and once you're happy, just click on apply, and then we need to go to pointer options, and in pointer options, select a pointer speed. By default, again, it will be at the middle. From here, you can move it to the right side to make it faster, and to the left side if you want to make it slower. So once you're fine with the settings, just click on apply and we have successfully changed the DPI. This was a very short tutorial on Mouse DPI. I hope you have enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next tutorial.